How the world's best olive oil is made. The liquid gold of gastronomy. How the world's best olive oil is made. The liquid gold of gastronomy. The journey begins here at the intake area. These vibrating conveyors ensure only the finest olives continue.
The incoming olives are carefully weighed at the intake station. This batch alone totals nearly 5,000 kilograms of prime liquid gold. Here on the pre-cleaning line, powerful air blowers separate the fresh olives from any remaining leaves and debris. To create the world's best olive oil, every single olive must be visually inspected and any imperfections removed.
The olives are fed into the hammer mill, where the powerful blades rapidly pulverize the fruit, pits, and all.
See how smooth it is? This is exactly the consistency we need for the finest extra virgin olive oil.
The olive paste is then transferred into these enclosure, those malaxation flow tanks.
After crushing, the paste enters the malaxer. Here, slow rotation and precise temperature control.
The centrifuge spins the paste at high speeds, separating the pure liquid gold from the heavier water and solids.
Here we see the freshly pressed oil flowing directly from the outlet pipe into the holding tanks.
Here we see the freshly pressed olive oil, the liquid gold of gastronomy, flowing into the tank.
Here at the polishing station, the secondary vertical centrifuge works to remove any residual moisture, ensuring the liquid gold is perfectly pure. Here, the crude oil passes through specialized cellulose sheets, clarifying it into the vibrant, pure olive oil you see. To maintain the highest quality, our freshly filtered oil flows directly into these sealed stainless steel tanks, away from light and air. To protect the delicate oil inside, a nitrogen blanketing system maintains a precise, oxygen-free environment.
As the titrant is slowly introduced, we carefully watch for the endpoint, the moment the oxidation levels are precisely measured.
Analyzing the polyphenol content is crucial for confirming the quality of this liquid gold, ensuring it meets the highest standards.
The first step is crucial. The dark glass bottles are meticulously cleaned with high-pressure air before they receive the liquid gold. The sanitation unit uses high-pressure filtered water to ensure the bottles are perfectly clean for the liquid gold. After washing, the bottles enter this sterile drying tunnel, where powerful jets of air remove every trace of moisture. To ensure peak freshness, the bottles are flushed with nitrogen to displace any oxygen before sealing. To guarantee the integrity of the liquid gold, tamper-evident seals are precisely heat-shrunk around the neck and cap. Every bottle undergoes rigorous optical inspection to ensure the perfect fill height, guaranteeing the quality of our liquid gold. In the pressure test chamber, the bottles are compressed. This controlled test guarantees the integrity of the seal, protecting the liquid gold inside. Before the liquid gold is packed, the bottles undergo a final, rigorous cleaning process to ensure absolute perfection.
The mechanical divider swiftly groups the bottles, a seamless blend of precision engineering and gastronomic excellence.
Here in the carton assembly section, flat cardboard is rapidly transformed into the protective casing for our liquid gold.
Ensuring the liquid gold arrives safely requires a meticulous human touch, as every bottle is carefully placed by hand.
The technician carefully extracts the final batch sample, ensuring the integrity of the seal before the recheck.
Oxidation stability testing is crucial. By analyzing how the oil resists oxidation, we can guarantee its freshness and quality for the consumer.
We must reroute the Iberian shipments, confirm the new arrival times with the Port Authority, and send the updated manifest right away.
Confirmed. The olive oil shipment is cleared for export to New York. We'll send the documents shortly.
Just confirm the batch numbers here.
They are correct, Supervisor.
Good. Everything is clear. Have a safe trip.
Bill of lading, certificate of origin, Everything seems to be in order.
Yes, all pallets accounted for.
Excellent. Clear for export.
To ensure the quality of our liquid gold, every instrument must be calibrated with a precise standard solution.
To guarantee the absolute purity of our liquid gold, every instrument must be calibrated with a precise standard solution before analysis.
The yield percentage is up 15%, exceeding our projections.
How does this correlate with the quality control data?
The metrics look solid.
As you can see, the liquid gold line exceeded Q3 projections by 15%.
That aligns perfectly with the sustainability report on page 12.
Yep.
The aroma is exceptionally clean, very fruity.
Agreed. This is certainly grade A quality.
Check the vibration levels on the decanter. Are the bearings within tolerance?
Yes, they look good. I'm logging the pressure readings now.
All primary gauges are reading 0. The flush was successful.
I agree. Schematics show we are clear to move to phase 2.
Excellent. Let's head down to the bottling line inspection.
The liquid gold of gastronomy undergoes rigorous testing before it ever reaches your table. The freshly pressed olive oil begins its journey to the world market.
Complete operational overview of how the world's best olive oil is made, the liquid gold of gastronomy, from olive harvest to final export shipment.